F it, we doing this like Ludacris. Wasn't about to film this, but now I am. We blowing up barrels. For the challenge. Dang. Mythbusters. My goodness. A dead body. Espana versus out. Bro. The second I turned it on, this shit, they scored. I was like, whoa, wait, what? The millisecond. No, not the millisecond. Oh, the thing. Damn. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What about PP? What about Kaka? What about PP in the ass and a poo poo in the face? What about Bum Bum? Dude. I tried to tap the button. Wow, I destroyed the barrels. Nothing still. Nothing to unlock still. Dang, this guy's cool hair. Give me this armor. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do na 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 na. Do na 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 na. Is this a Dicklety kick? Yo, it's a Dicklety kick. A Dicklety. No, it's a frick kick. A free dick kick. Yo, he saved that hole like a bro. Oh shit, I'm the bro. Man, what is high value targets again? It's okay, I don't need presents. I just need to snip. You're not coming out alive. Shit, bro. That guy's lucky. I need to survive longer. I need to see what the F. Oh. What was it? Get out of here. Marksman. %25 bullet damage. Yo. That's why I smoked the general. The general was like, hell no. Hell no. Trying to swing his machete and I slapped. Players with perks? They have to have perks. Okay. Okay. Is that Hailey Bieber? I don't even know if that was Hailey Bieber. What about Bollock? What about ass fuck? What about penis balls with the dicky little ass? What about lick lick? What about fuck luck? What about dicky balls with the assy fucky lick? Pueblos, Latino, de pueblos, de pueblos, de pueblos, de pueblos, de pueblos, pueblos, Latino. Holy shit, I'm the bro again. Oh my god, I got this sniper. This is not the sniper, bro. The other one's better. Oh my god, it's freaking Guy. It's Guy. Alright, lads. You get to the center. I'll snipe from the side. Are we human? Or are we dancer? Dancer or dancer? President. He got jumped from the bushes. Bro, fall. That's what happens, bro. Now you're getting slapped. Done. Shit! I missed all those shots. That was amazing to be the freaking marksman twice in a row. Like a hoe. Like you don't even know. Give me that too, because I'm new at this piece of poo. Look at this guy with this cool ass jacket. Well, I'm not marksman. Neither is anyone on our team. Or squad, I mean. Are we dicking? Or are we ass lick? My dick is ass fuck. My balls is ass. Chicken goon. Don't drink Coca-Cola. Don't drink caffeination. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. Don't drink caffeine. Don't eat it or snort it or consume it. I have to say consume because you smart ass is going to say, oh, but what if I inject it with a needle? And I'll say, then fucking do it, you stupid little bitch. Yeah, you're so smart, bro. Go inject fucking caffeine with a fucking needle. Teach me a lesson. Oh my gosh. Was that even a red man? I'm just shooting shit. Holy shit, it's Bear Man. It's Bear Man. It's Bear Man. I'm dual wield pistol, bro. I'm dual wield pistol. Pick the man up. Pick this man up. Give me this shit. Give me this shit. Bro, I need Bear Lello. I'm on the fire. Ah! He killed me balls. He killed me balls. I'll get the survived thing so quick. I didn't mean to pick this mode, but okay. Are we dicking or are we balls ass? My balls is lick dick. My ass is balls. And I'm balls lick dick. Someone opened it. Ichini-san Yangokuro. Feeling lucky. It should have stopped. It was at this moment he knew. In black and white. That's what Gameria would do on his videos. Or like it's a Gamerio type thing. I don't know if he would do it. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. I poo-poo in the toilet. Ooh, baby, I chihuahua, baby, ooh, baby, ooh, baby, I chihuahua, baby, ooh, baby, what's the matter with the man and the fan and I chihuahua? No, my brother. My brother. Let's see if he's even. Yeah, he left. Crispy Pop. Crispy Pop, we're gonna do this. What the fuck? Dude, really? Why the fuck? Why the hell? What the? You left. No, you didn't. Pop in, pop in. Ooh, bit. See, all of them should have like they should be randomized skin tone emojis. Emoji skin tone colors. They're all the second emoji. Skin tone. Oh, you got the la pura. You got the la pura. There's already a fight. I need that Christ gun. Trying to do something cool. Ooh, baby. I chihuahua, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, ooh. I can't open the door and reload at the same time, okay, guys? Should open the door for me. Get to the present. Freaking rock. Open it. Yeah. Woof, woof. Jacket's being a boo-boo head. He bited mama. But we have to figure out what's in us that makes him want to bite. Okay. Hold the line. Take him out. Double tap him. Bro, holy shit. How the fuck? Dude, that guy took like 70,372 bullets. Crawling away. See, it's already... One more. Doesn't feel good when you just get the survived time challenge just in like 10 millisecond increments. Oh my gosh. Portuguese. Give me that. Sir, you're being court-martialed. Oh, he's alive. He's alive. I'm sorry. I had to check. Christ gun. Oh, I just want the Christ gun. I always run in like, they won't see me. They have other people to worry about. And they just deal with me. They deal with me quick. And then continue on. Give me this shit. What about balling? What about ass poo? What about penis lick and the dicky ballsy ass? Running in like I'm super loco, yeah. I'm the locoest man in the local holy world. I'm the G. I keep rolling this shit. Holy shit, that was the frickin' get off the bridge song. I knocked him out with a pen to the noggin. Where's O-Dog? The team to blow the music horn the most wins, I guess. I don't know. This is freaking OP. I realize people are always forgetting to do it. Just continuously do it. Right when it loads. Right when it loads back up immediately. Especially to get people out of the frickin' airdrop. Airstrike. Laura, no. Oh, dog, no. We lost. Oh, dog. Shit, man. I tried to do this. Winners and still champions. Survivor.